first letter from Kufa to Imam Hussain was received in Makkah during Ramadan. The letter was sent by Abdullah bin Sabih Banani and Abdullah bin Wali. The letter said,
"This is a letter to Hussein ibn Ali from Suleiman ibn Sarid, Madhab ibn Najba, Rafa ibn Shaddad, Habib ibn Mazahir and other friends among the believers and Muslims of Kufa."
After this, their views on Muawiyah's death and Yazid's coronation were expressed.
"We have no imam here. So please come. Maybe because of you we can become united in the support of truth. The governor of Kufa, Noman bin Bashir, is present in Dar al-Amara, but we do not participate in Friday prayers with him. If you accept our invitation and come, we will force him to abdicate."
After that, the movement began to spread in Kufa, and in a short period of time, 53 petitions were prepared, signed by 1, 2, 3, or 4 men, and sent to the Imam. The strength of public opinion and the current trend in the year suggests that the chiefs of the tribes, who were Yazid's special men and who were no longer supported by the movement's motivators, they also considered it a requirement of politics to have a voice in this movement. So, apart from these collective actions, another letter was written from Kufa.
"The fields are swaying, the fruits are ripe in the trees, so whenever you can, come to an army that is well equipped to help you."
This letter was very different from the previous ones in terms of tone. They had expressions of friendship and sincerity and a desire for guidance. Here, the offerings and profits of material power were a manifestation of the world, which on the one hand is the spokesman of the materialistic mentality of the writers, and on the other hand is the proof of alienation and ignorance of the nature of the letter. Therefore, almost all the writers of this last letter were present in Karbala to fight Imam Hussain. All these messengers and their accompanying letters reached Imam Hussain within 2 days, and in a few days after that the number of letters became so great that they filled 2 bags. The following conclusions are clearly drawn from all these incidents. Number 1. Imam Hussein's withdrawal from Yazid's allegiance and his departure from Medina were not the result of any prior negotiations with any movement and the people of Kufa. Number 2. On the occasion of the Imam's departure from Medina, he did not even think that he would visit Kufa due to apparent reasons. Number 3. Even after his arrival in Mecca, he did not make any movement on his own behalf to the people of Kufa, nor did he send any letter to preach his aims there. That is why the Imam did not say anything in response to those who forbade him to go to Iraq, such as Abdullah bin Abbas. On the contrary, he expressed his displeasure with most of the Iraqis, expressing his dissatisfaction and mistrust. He said that,
"Even if I stay here, I will be killed, and the respect of the Kaaba will disappear because of me."
He once said to Abdullah bin Zubair,
"I know that a person will be killed like a sheep here, which will remove the sanctity of this place. I don't want to be that sheep."
On another occasion, when Ibn Zubair said something to him in secret, after Ibn Zubair left, he said to some of his relatives,
"Do you know what Ibn Zubair said? Ibn Zubair said, 'Stay in Mecca and do not go out.'
Then he said,
By God, I would like to be killed outside Mecca than inside. And by God, even if I go into the depths of the jungle, they will still bring me out of there until they kill me."
In these circumstances, it was inevitable for him to visit Kufa, and it was not appropriate for him to reject the request of the people of Kufa. Nevertheless, he took precautionary measures by sending his cousin, Muslim ibn Aqil, to Kufa, who had come with him from Medina as his representative, to observe the situation. And for this, he wrote a letter to the people of Kufa and handed it over to Hani bin Bani and Sa'id bin Abdullah, who were the last messengers of the people of Kufa, and ordered them to go ahead of Muslim. The letter stated,
"Most of you are of the opinion that there is no Imam in Kufa. May God unite us through truth. So I send to you my brother, my cousin and the special trustee, and I order him to inform me of your situation. If he informs me that your party agrees with what you have stated in your letters, then I will come to you soon, and it should be noted that the meaning of Imam is that of a person who is bound by the divine law, abides by the truth and devotes himself to the will of God.